everyone, welcome to Cricut Time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's Cricut tutorial, I'll show you a super simple idea to add to your end of the year teacher gift. I love chocolate, and therefore my kid's teacher probably does too. So I'm going to use my maker to make a candy wrapper to go around a chocolate bar. Let's get started in Design Space, and I'll show you how to set up the cut. I have my writing figured out already, and the fonts that I'm using are KG Lego House for the main part, and I've already welded teachers together because it's cursive, but you can see what font you used by right-clicking on it, then scroll down to Info. It's always grayed out, but you can see here that this font is Milky Matcha. Next, I want to bring in a splash of color, so I'll go to my uploads. I have already uploaded a watercolor paint swatch, so I'll just bring that in. If you aren't sure how to upload your own photos, you can check out my channel, as I have lots of tutorials to walk you through these steps, as well as help with troubleshooting on issues that can arise with your Cricut. The last thing I need for this design is a square. Just click on Shapes, and then click on Square. Unlock the square, and then set your dimensions for your chocolate bar. I'm using a KitKat today, so my dimensions are 8 by 17 centimeters. I'll just change the background to white, and then move this layer down to the bottom. The next layer will be the pink one. Drag it over and resize it so it's just slightly wider than the rectangle. I'll also stretch it a bit longer so that it's roughly the same size as my writing. That looks good. And now I'll just bring this layer down under the writing. Now I can bring the writing over. I'll just highlight it all and then press Attach so that I can resize it while keeping all the words together. Once you're happy with the overall look, there's another step we need to do. This is so that the machine doesn't try to cut out everything individually. It's super simple. Just highlight the whole design, then down at the bottom, click Flatten. This will change it from lots of individual layers to one complete design, and my machine will only cut the outside rectangle. I'll just make another copy, and then this is ready to send to the printer. I've printed out my candy wrappers, so now comes the easy part. Pop it into your Cricut and let it do the rest. You'll notice there is a thick black rectangle around the design. That is just there to help your machine calibrate the cut to make sure that everything cuts in the right spot. If you ever find that yours is a bit off, you can just calibrate your machine and it should fix the problem. The candy wrappers are cut out, and all I have to do now is fold them around the chocolate bar. Grab your glue stick and glue down the edges. I also like to add a bit of glue to the actual chocolate bar itself so that the wrapper doesn't slide around. Well, there you have it. This easy and delicious gift is ready to go in with my end of the year teacher gift. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.